Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to easily delete a credit card from your Airbnb app. Whether you want to update your payment methods or just clean up your account, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and safely. Let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your smartphone. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. From the menu, tap Payments and Payouts. Next, tap on Payment Methods, find the credit card you want to remove. Tap on Edit next to the card and select Remove. Confirm your choice to remove the card from your account, and that's it. Now you know how to remove a credit card from Airbnb using the app. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy tech tips.